So we did a video the other day from a company called KZ, and they sent over a pair of wired in-ear headphones. Now that video was a little bit strange because wired in-ear headphones are pretty much outdated. But them ones on the other hand were absolutely incredible and guaranteed some of the best wired headphones I've ever had on this channel. So 100% go check it out. It's in the description and it's up in the cards. But today we're looking at something else from them. Now this is their Bluetooth gaming headset, and this is the GP20. This one's going to be interesting. So here we go, this is what we are looking at. Sorry about the lights, the box is very shiny. So this is the KZ GP20 professional grade gaming wireless headset. Now this one I've been looking forward to. So let's just get into it straight away. So just to start off with, we do have a little user manual here. This is just going to tell you everything about what each of the buttons do on the actual headset. It's going to tell you what different cables you get, as well as connecting it to the Bluetooth. So there is a Bluetooth mode, as well as connecting it to your phone, your tablet, your device, as well as connecting it to your PC, laptop, gaming console, which is through a 2.4 gigahertz USB receiver, which is pretty cool. So you do get a few options. Now we do get a USB to USB Type-C, because that's how this device is charged. Doesn't have to be wired, but it can be. So if you want to do it wired, we do have a nice 3.5mm cable going on here. Double audio jack. It is a corded cable as well, so they have went for a little bit more of a more expensive taste, because obviously this is going to last longer. Plus it looks really cool. Now we do get a little USB receiver, model GP20, so it's telling you what you need to connect to. If you do, it probably should register it straight away, but this literally just goes into either your computer, your laptop, PC, gaming console, Xbox, all that good stuff. And then we have our Bluetooth gaming headset. Now first of all we need to do is first get this off. I always love a silent peel. And look at that. So always appreciate the peel. Now, as always, what we're going to do, we'll start on one side, work our way around to the other side, and we'll go from there. So we'll start with the right cup. Now, the right cup as well, straight away has the KZ logo in, which I really do like. I like that logo. It is really cool. Then on outskirts here, we do have some white acrylic. That is going to be for the RGB light to shine through. Then they've went for more of a plastic design on the outside with a little skirt here, making it look a little bit more futuristic, which I do like. On the bottom we do have the USB-C port, so this is going to allow for fast charging capability. And then we also have the microphone on-off button. So this is as simple as in-game, you can simply click that, it'll turn the microphone on or off with the LED indicator on the side, which is pretty cool. Now this is all housed in plastic with a metal bracket going on the outside, which is giving you quite a large amount of tilt and swivel there. So you're not going to have to worry about this not fitting your head or not being comfortable. And then we just do have the single wire going from the headset into the frame itself, being as hidden as possible. And they have given the frame itself more little metal cutouts, giving it a better design, as well as allowing it to be a little bit more lightweight. Now, the one thing I like about these ones compared to some other ones is normally you see them where they have a plastic bracket and then they have like a metal frame insert. No, not with these. These are metal frame into a metal frame. So this frame goes all the way through to the opposite side of the head. So that's going to give you a lot more strength, a lot more rigidity. So that's one thing I did enjoy. And the one thing test it is by squeezing the crap out of it. Literally, mind my language. So squeezing it to death really does help it. And of course, it goes back to its original shape. So it is definitely strong. It's very ductile, which is pretty cool. Now, so yes, all metal frame going through. We do have a plastic cap going around, which is just going to hide all the stitching from the actual leather. And then we do have a leather belt going all the way around the side here. A large amount of cushion going on there, so it's going to allow you to use this headset for a long period of time without being uncomfortable. It's going to stay that way. Now, coming on to the opposite side, we are met with the same metal frame with the same cutouts for the design and rigidity. So that's one pretty cool, as well as a single cable going from the band into the headset. Now, again, we do have the KZ logo, which is there. Obviously, I forgot to mention the KZ logo also is part of the RGB, so that will also light up when we get these turned on in a minute. And then we do have the acrylic ring, same as the other side, which will also allow the RGB to shine through. Now, some of the controls on this one, we do have the plus or minus volume rocker here, so this is going to allow you to turn your headset up without having to go into your PC settings or your controller settings. You can do that all from the headset. We have the M button modes, so this is going to be for the RGB on or off, so that's one thing to take into consideration of. and as well as the on-off button. So this and on-off button, simple as, turns it on, turns it off, as well as with a little LED indicator showing you that you have it on. We do have the 3.5mm jack on this side, so this is going to be if you want to use it with a wired device. Obviously you are fully inclined, obviously depending if it's like a device that doesn't contribute to 2.4 GHz or Bluetooth, you can use the 3.5mm jack here as well. And then of course we have our flexible microphone. Now this is a non-removable microphone, so we can't take this out. It is stable. It has to stay there. But you can of course move it out the way. It is fully flexible, whether you want it in your face, out your face, or totally gone. You can move it around completely. And then on the bottom of the microphone we do have a single slit, so this is where your voice is going to be read, which is pretty cool. We have an LED indicator going on there, as well as the mode. So there we go, the RGB light is shining through. As we can see, we've got the K logo going on inside, which is shining in. If I click it once more, it turns off. Click it again, it turns back on, which is relatively really cool. And then obviously that's just going to filter through all the different RGB effects. So say if you're on a live stream or anything like that, you're getting into some decent gaming, and your groups and your guys watching you and girls watching you can see this, they're going to be like, wow, where'd you get them headphones from? Because they are so cool. And then the one thing I want to talk about is the size of the diaphragms. Look at the size of them. I believe these are probably 40 to 50mm drivers. We are going to go into that when we do some specifications. But I have to admit, just look at the size of that cushion as well. Massive amount of actual cushion there. So I have to say these are going to be extremely comfortable. Before I do the specifications, I am going to wear these for a couple hours, you know, do a bit of gaming, do a bit of editing, see roughly what they're all about, and to see roughly how comfortable they actually are while wearing them. So I'm going to do that now, and we'll go through the specifications. So let's do it. When it comes to the KZ GP20 2.4 GHz Bluetooth wireless gaming headset, so with the Bluetooth technology, this does allow for low power consumption, faster transmission, as well as stable connections, allowing for high speed and stable transmission, clear and low latency voice, synchronizing your audio and video experience. So these do have dual wireless and wired connections, so the wireless connection is compatible with your PC, laptop, PS4, and all other different types of devices. So this can be connected via Bluetooth connection or even the 3.5mm audio jack. So the high precision 50mm driver units provide rich, low, mid and high audio, surging power and shocking sound. Enjoying music and gameplay brings a 3D stereo sound that captures every detail. So due to the low power consumption and Bluetooth solutions with a high performance battery bringing 68 hours of battery life, allowing you to easily accomplish everything you need for that day and so much more. And around taking about 1.5 hours to fully charge and getting back to life. So gaming comfort is extremely important. So what these headphones allow you to do is game in comfort for longer with the leather ear cushions, 8 times more breathable, the retractable headband and mega soft memory foam ear cups that are designed to be comfortable, breathable and lightweight to reduce the pressure on your head. So of course the RGB neon on light effects, the color and breathing RGB light with automatic cycle changing increases the atmosphere of the whole game and just gives it a better overall look. So the integrated microphone, which can pick up sound with great sensitivity and remove the noise, it has a flexible and adjustable angle, and this mic is also great for HD calls. You can communicate face to face, but then again this headset pretty much is the exact same. So if you do want to go check out a headset like this for yourself, please do check the links in the video description, and of course go grab yourself one right now. Now I have to admit, I enjoyed this video. I think it took me the entire day to use it, well, to record it, because I started doing it. As soon as I started unboxing it, I put them on, tried them on, did what I normally do. And then I ended up starting playing some games and time kind of got ahead of me. I forgot the entire world when I put these on. Like, I'm wearing them now and I can very slightly hear my own voice coming through, which is incredible. I like the design of the KZ design. Like I said, you've got the whole RGB effect going on there. Put these off for a second. But I think the most important thing why I like them is they actually fit my ears. They actually fit. Now I've said this on all my videos, a ton of my videos, when it comes to headphones, I've got stupidly large ears. Not every headphone will fit. I think that I got lucky with the Logitech G733s. But these are actually comfier. They sound better, and ironically the microphone isn't annoying. I thought it was going to be, but it wasn't. It was actually easier. Just move it out the way and I'm done. Quickly turn these off. Power off. No, but I did like the fact of how they built this. It's not just plastic. It's not metal into cheap plastic. It's metal framing all the way through. Solid, rigid. And I mean, I give this some proper, going for. And it stayed in its original shape. And I have to admit, I really do appreciate you sending them over. because they are an incredible set of headphones. So like I said, guys, if you do want to go check a pair of these out, head down the links in the video description. I'm more than happy to help if you have any issues as well as. But as always, if the video does help you in any way, shape or form, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. And as always, have a great day.